everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on iTonga from the 24th to the 28th of March 2025 on Monday. Lungelo risked it all with his lies. Zama's mood is lifted after encounter with Sanele on Tuesday. We are not in Durban anymore. Sanele stand his ground on the ethics of doing business. Lungelo flips the script on Nkosinathi. Zama milks Ayanda for information but doesn't like what she hears on Wednesday. Lungelo is about to find out you can't outrun a lie. Zama and Sanele's love for their loved one draws them even closer together on Thursday. Pablo learns that the walls have ears, and we found out exactly what timber is made of on Friday. Banele's spirit forces Zama and Sanele together. Themba use unconventional method to deal with Lungelo. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.